One more diamond to our crown, strengthening our journey with the installation of our newest machine. Big size, fully automatic folder, gluer cum stitching machine, successfully installed in Banglore. The stitching head is built from special wear-resistant materials for durability. Driven directly by a servo motor, it ensures stable and precise operation. Supports multiple stitching modes, including single, double, reinforced, and head-to-tail nails with speeds up to 600 stitches per minute. Linked with the feeder and controlled by variable frequency speed regulation, this section synchronizes folding with creasing. Equipped with imported multi-hole conveyor belts and continuous suction, it achieves automatic folding while preventing skewing, slipping, or jamming, particularly with heavy-duty laminated or coated cartons, ensuring stable and efficient operation. Average gluing speed of 220 boxes per minute. Completed cartons are automatically aligned, counted, stacked, and neatly delivered, ensuring accurate and reliable output. If you're looking to scale production without compromising quality, the fully automatic folder, gluer, and stitcher is the answer. Designed with 4 integrated sections and advanced digital controls, it ensures seamless operation from feeding to final stacking. With high-speed gluing, consistent stitching performance, and intelligent automation, it reduces labor dependency while maximizing output. This machine isn't just an upgrade, it's a competitive advantage for your packaging business.